information contained in this video is provided to you as is and does not constitute legal advice, is governed by our terms and conditions of use, and we are not acting as your attorney. We make no claims, promises, or guarantees about the accuracy, completeness, or adequacy of the information contained in this video. The law changes very rapidly, and accordingly, we do not guarantee that any information in this video is accurate and/or up to date. Additionally, the law differs from jurisdiction to jurisdiction and is subject to interpretation of courts located in each county and state. Legal advice must be tailored to the specific circumstances of each case, and the tools and information provided to you may not be an appropriate fit in your case. Nothing provided in this video should be used as a substitute for the advice of competent legal counsel. The following is a brief overview of what foreclosure is and a few ways it can be stopped. To find out about specific foreclosure laws, consult an attorney. Foreclosure is the legal proceedings initiated by a creditor to repossess the collateral for the loan that is in default. In the case of home foreclosures, the creditor is the bank or the lender, the collateral is your home, and default occurs when the homeowner misses payments on the loan for a period of time. Most foreclosure proceedings happen without the involvement of a court of law. This is because the mortgage or deed of trust usually contains a clause that allows the lender the right to sell the property. Once a borrower is in default, the lender starts foreclosure proceedings after sending a notice to the borrower that the terms of the mortgage or deed of trust have been violated. To begin the foreclosure process, a lender must file a complaint against the borrower and obtain a decree of sale from a court that has jurisdiction where the property is located. The court will then determine whether a default has occurred. If the court finds a default, it will determine the total amount of the debt, interest, and costs due and present a sensible time for payment to be made. The court may order that if payment is not made within a certain time, the property must be sold to satisfy the debt. If the borrower does not pay the outstanding amount owed, the property will go to auction to be sold. Some states require public notice to be given of the impending auction, and some do not. The trustee announces the opening bid at the sale and may accept higher bids, with the property selling to the highest bidder. The trustee is an institution to whom the lender gives legal title to your home until the loan is paid off in full. At the auction, if no one bids, the foreclosing lender will win the bidding with the opening bid. The trustee completes the necessary documents to transfer ownership of the property to the highest bidder. Auctions are typically held on the courthouse steps or at an auction house. While the foreclosure process varies, it typically takes from a few months all the way up to a year, depending on the lender. The borrower has the option to pay off the outstanding balance and fees within a certain period of time prior to the auction. This process is referred to as reinstatement. This is one of the ways that a foreclosure can be stopped. Another way of stopping the foreclosure process is to sell your home prior to the auction, thus paying off the lender from the proceeds of the sale. There are two options for selling your house, the traditional way and through a short sale. If your mortgage balance is less than the market value of your house, you would go through a traditional home sale transaction. Modus investments can make that transaction extremely simple. First, you call us at the number below or fill out the Get an Offer form, and one of our local home buying specialists will ask you a few simple questions about your house. After collecting that information and doing our analysis, we present you with a fair offer. When you accept our offer, we come out to visit your house, answer your questions, and fill out the paperwork. From there, we schedule a settlement date that is convenient for you, and on that date, we officially buy your house. Lastly, your house is sold and you receive your money fast. No interviewing agents, no realtor commissions, no dealing with contractors, and no repairs. Leave it to Modus Investments to handle the details. On the other hand, if a traditional sale is not an option due to your mortgage balance being greater than the market value of your house, the transaction will be a short sale. This is the process by which the bank or lender would agree to accept an amount less than what is owed to them. Lenders agreed to do this because they know that they are likely to lose additional money if the house goes to foreclosure. As a seller, a short sale is preferable to a foreclosure as your credit rating is not impacted as severely. Selling a house via a short sale is a legitimate method for stopping the foreclosure process and allowing the homeowner to get on with their life. For further information on how short sales work, please contact a Modus Investments sales specialist. For any additional questions you may have about this video, please give us a call at the numbers below. We're local, we're experienced, and here to help you through this difficult time. Call us now and get a free and confidential consultation. Get an offer in minutes and sell your house in 7 to 10 days.